Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a really important topic. It's about cancer. More specifically, it's about where cancer can spread without you realizing it. Did you know that cancer can spread to certain parts of the body without showing obvious symptoms? It's true, and it's crucial information for everyone. So, let's get right into it. Are you aware of the body parts where cancer can spread without being noticed? People understand that cancer typically affixes to one area of the body. However, it's important to know that it can also migrate to other parts without any obvious signs. This occurs when cancer cells detach from their original site, travel via the bloodstream or lymphatic system, and establish themselves in new locations, thus spreading the illness to different areas. While this might sound frightening, it's crucial information to consider, especially if you or a loved one is dealing with cancer. It's not about inducing fear, but about staying knowledgeable and understanding the disease's behavior, particularly where it tends to spread. This issue of spreading is why many cancers are deemed advanced or in final stages. It's not necessarily that the original site is untreatable, but rather that the disease wasn't detected early enough, allowing it to affect multiple other parts of the body significantly. Where cancer spreads, the liver is a common site for cancer to metastasize from various types of cancers. However, individuals with digestive system cancers are more prone to developing secondary liver cancer. This heightened risk is attributed to the fact that blood from the digestive system must pass through the liver before returning to the heart, thus facilitating the transfer of cancer cells to the liver. What may come as a surprise is that the presence of cancer in the liver can sometimes go unnoticed, as it may not produce any overt symptoms. Nonetheless, certain signs could indicate that something is amiss: loss of appetite, nausea or general malaise, pain on the right side of the body, just below the rib cage, abdominal swelling, ascites, fatigue, yellowing of the skin and eyes, jaundice. Symptoms of secondary liver cancer. Previously, we discussed ascites and jaundice as potential side effects of liver cancer. When cancer spreads to the liver, these conditions might appear before any direct liver issues are detected. It's important to recognize their symptoms early and contact your doctor promptly. Ascites arises when substantial fluid accumulates in the abdomen. This occurs as fluid collects between the two layers of the peritoneum, the membrane covering the abdominal organs. The buildup can cause discomfort and make the abdomen appear bloated. The fluid accumulation may result from cancer spreading and irritating the stomach, causing fluid secretion, improper drainage of lymph glands, or other factors linked to the invasion of cancer cells in the body. Jaundice indicates that the liver is not functioning correctly and may also suggest blocked bile ducts. The most noticeable signs of jaundice include yellowing of the eyes and skin, dark urine, pale stools, and itchy skin. Where cancer spreads, many cancers can metastasize to the brain, with breast and lung cancers being the most prevalent. Other types that can also reach the brain include kidney cancer, melanoma, and colorectal cancer, along with numerous others. It is generally known that cancer can extend to almost any body part, making the brain a common site for metastasis. The primary symptoms of cancer spreading to the brain are nausea and headaches. This is because the skull's limited space makes it difficult to accommodate the growth of cancer cells, leading to increased intracranial pressure and resulting in the aforementioned symptoms. Symptoms of secondary brain cancer. Although headaches and feeling generally unwell are the most common symptoms, other indicators to watch for with cancerous growths in the brain include, depending on the tumor's size, it might not cause noticeable symptoms if it's small. However, larger tumors can lead to confusion, vertigo, the sensation of the room spinning, drowsiness, or a sense of dizziness and instability, changes in behavior or mood swings, weakness in a limb or on one entire side of the body. Where cancer spreads, bones. There are numerous instances when cancer metastasizes to the bones, leading to significant complications. Often, people believe it is incurable once it reaches this stage. While bone cancer presents more challenges, it does not imply a terminal diagnosis if detected early. Breast, lung, and prostate cancers are among the most frequent types that can result in secondary bone cancer. This form of secondary cancer manifests with quite recognizable symptoms, such as elevated calcium levels in the blood, weakness, and pain in the affected bones. The pain is the most noticeable symptom because the cancer cell's growth within the bone leads to the multiplication of tissues, which then press against the nerves, causing discomfort. Symptoms of secondary bone cancer, moreover, it can contribute to bone degradation, making them more susceptible to fractures and altering their integrity. This kind of bone deterioration can result in pathological fractures, which occur when bones break due to being weakened. Often, before any pain indicating secondary cancer spread to the bones is felt, you might notice symptoms due to elevated calcium levels in your bloodstream. The damaged bones release excess calcium into the blood, causing this issue. High calcium levels can lead to confusion and irritability, as well as more common symptoms like constipation, thirst, nausea, drowsiness, or a sense of muddled thinking and extreme tiredness. In severe cases, individuals might even lose consciousness. If you're experiencing these symptoms, especially if you have a history of cancer, consult a healthcare professional as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Remember, early detection can save lives. Stay informed and proactive about your health. So, there you have it, folks. 3 body parts where cancer can spread without you realizing it: the bones, the liver, and the lungs. A little knowledge can go a long way in protecting your health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on our next video. And if you have any questions or stories, feel free to share them in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay vigilant. See you in the next video.